Exactly.
As a producer, hindi rin biro yung mga struggles na kinakaharap mo. Paano mo ito na-overcome?
Isipin ko mabuti, ganun eh. Struggles, kapag nagsa-struggle sa work, ano bang mga struggles namin sa work? Ako personally, I feel like I struggle when, for example, clients want a certain output at a given deadline. Yung parang agad-agad. Ang tawag ko nga minsan, parang nag-order ng pansit. Kasi, syempre, you undergo pre-prod, prod, post-prod. Pero, kailangan kong skip yung ibang steps para ma-deliver ka agad. So, that's one of my challenges, deadlines, and number 2, budget. Pero, na-overcome ko siya. Number 1, you really need a good team. I think I'm only as good as my team. If not for the team that I work with, I won't be able to produce projects within budget and within the timeline given. You really need people na maaasahan mo, reliable. So, ako, I choose very carefully and I choose wisely who I work with kasi kailangan ko makadeliver eh. And I feel like they help me overcome any challenge. And I feel like I can overcome anything, kumbaga, kasi I know na meron akong kasama na maaasahan ko, trusted ko, kasi po, pag producer ka, hindi naman po lahat kaya mong gawin eh. You have a team. May director, may editor, may director of photography. Sila yung gumagawa ng ibang work. Ikaw nagmamanage sa kanila. Kung wala kang editor, kasi mag-edit ng video, the video will edit itself. No naman.
Ma'am Melay, yun talaga yung kailangan as a leader. Yung mabilis kang magdesisyon and talagang nakamonitor ka sa team kung kaya ba. Kasi doon papasok yung ano yung gagawin natin as a team para ma-deliver pa rin natin to. Kasi if hindi talaga kaya, ano yung in control na pwede nating gawin.
Totoo.
Which is yung nakikita ko sa'yo na parang ano yung okay, hindi pasok sa deadline, pero in our control, pwede naman tayo mag-hire ng mga freelance editors na pwedeng makatapos and then makakapagbigay pa rin tayo ng quality work and mamimit natin ang deadline. Hindi pwedeng, hindi po talaga namin kayang i-deliver. So, nasan yung pagiging leader? Diba? So, yun ang nakikita ko sa'yo. You're a good leader, you're handling your team very well, and nakakatuwa kasi yun talaga ang sikreto. You need a team na magdi-deliver ng maayos. Hindi lang dapat ikaw. Oo,
Hindi lang ako yun.
Ang nakakaintindi na kailangan lahat kayo. Kasi ang resulta to, hindi naman ikaw, lahat kayo.
Exactly. And when you see the credits, right, in the movies or whatever, kita mo napakadaming pangalan na magro-roll up because it's really a team. So, sometimes they say it takes a village. Really a group of people. It's not just me. So, as long as you have those people, you can overcome anything. I'm sure with business, ganun din.
Ganun din. And also, if merong tao na hindi naman kayang ibigay yung expectation na kailangan
Punan
for
mo.
so pwede mong i-remove. Diba? Mahirap ka workmate or katrabaho yung mabibigat na hindi naman kayang mag-deliver. So, replace.
Yes.
Diba?
Or kung okay naman sila, may konti lang silang naging pagkukulang, punan mo yung pagkukulang nila or sige, i-help kita in this aspect, ganyan. Talagang being a team player lang din in terms of production.
Wala naman din kasing perfect. So, kailangan talaga yung guidance. Basta andun yung magandang attitude ng team player mo. Pero if yung may skills pero hindi maganda attitude, mabigat. Diba? Mahirap. So, wala kang aasahan doon.
Totoo.
Diba?